Good morning, guys. It's another day. It's the day before my birthday. Last week was trying for me. I don't even want to go into details. That's why I'm wearing shades. Like, I had huge plans for my birthday and stuff happened and I had to cancel it all. But today I just feel like I should do something nice for myself, so I booked an appointment with a beauty clinic for my teeth whitening. I've seen different reviews online and yeah, I love what I saw, so I'm on my way there right now. I don't even have plans for anything tomorrow. Like, I just want the day to come and go. I hope you guys are keeping safe. You're wearing your mask, protecting yourself, taking responsibility. COVID is real, guys, so stay safe out there. Thank you. Nice. So I have to, because I read that I can't eat.
Yes.
After, so I have to rush my food in the car.
So that's amazing.
Thank you.
So is this the first time you use this one?
Yes, this is my first time.
Okay, so what are you doing a consultation for? Are you pregnant?
No, I'm not.
Breastfeeding?
No.
Do you have any dental related issue? Such as cracked teeth, specks teeth?
Oh, I can't say it's cracked, but I've taken out one tooth. Yeah, and yeah.
Okay, so within the first 3 hours after your treatment, you're not allowed to eat anything.
3 hours.
Yes, 3
Okay.
hours. And then for the first 24 to 72 hours, that's basically 3 days.
Yeah.
You should avoid any food that has colors. Like, you can't take fried rice, jollof rice, you can't eat anything that contains oil. It's just for you to go on the water.
Why? So even I can't eat anything that contains like red oil.
No, you can't.
So what can I take?
The reason why we say you shouldn't eat anything that contains oil is because the parts in your teeth after the procedure are open and they're dehydrated, so you can easily get stained.
Oh.
So all you need to do is to go on a white diet. You eat more of bread.
Yeah.
You can take ice cream.
Yeah.
You can take
Mama.
You can take noodles. Yes.
Noodles. So I can't
There's
take
no
just.
spice.
Can I take fried rice?
No, you can't. It has spice.
I can't take fried. I can't take jollof.
You can't take jollof.
I can't take like swallow.
You can't take swallow for the next 3 days after.
3
the procedure.
days.
Yes, ma'am.
Tomorrow is my birthday. Are you sure I want to do this?
Really? You can buy maintenance products to get rid of the stains after the procedure.
So like if I eat tomorrow, I can use that.
Yes, you can use
Is it the mini kit? The old
Yes,
kit?
we have the mini kits, we have the charcoal paste, and we have the powder. So after the procedure, I'm gonna show you how to use it and then explain more about it.
Does it not come with kit, like maintenance kit, even for the next few days? Instead of you, I'm paying to do the procedure.
Yes, ma'am.
Even if it's the smallest sample, does it not come with such?
No, it doesn't.
I'm not buying, no.
Oh,
I'll just have to stay away from. I'll try.
But it's advisable you get maintenance products to keep maintaining your result and get your teeth whitening more at home.
I can eat cake. I can take ice
Yes,
cream.
you can.
What if I don't let it touch my teeth? I can just be putting my tongue and swallowing it.
Yes, it's fine. And then if you want to take the other one, you can use the straw to take it as well.
Like wine, yes, straw.
Yes.
Nice. So it's doable now.
Yes, it's
Yeah.
And again, what toothpaste do you use on them?
I have Sensodyne, the sensitive one. I have Colgate. Yeah. I have like 2 different types of Colgate.
And it's not colored, yeah?
It's all this blue, but the one I'm using right now is the white one. So I should keep using that one. Okay.
And again, I'll still tell you about this. It's a lesser amount. It's 6,000.
Yeah. Okay. The teeth
Just
whitening,
in case
the
you want
powder.
to- Yes.
Oh, I know the charcoal powder now. So it's going to maintain it.
Yes, going to maintain and also keep your teeth whitening at the comfort of your home without having to come back to the clinic for another treatment.
Yeah, that's fine. So let's start because I have a long day. So So guys, I'm at Ali Beauty Clinic. About to have my white teeth. She said I have antibiotic stain or something. I think it's genetics. Yeah. I'm about to smile on you bitches. So yeah.
Always falling for the wrong guys. They keep telling me it's alright. How could I be so blind? I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there? Take you there.
So it's food.
So what do you think?
So I'll advise you come back in 2 weeks time for a type of treatment. Just normal stains, you get a very good result. And again, this is your first time doing teeth whitening.
Yeah. Guys, teeth whitening is done. I'm going to fix my lashes now. They asked me to come back for another session. So I'm here at 21st Beauty. I want to get my lashes done. This is my teeth. I don't know, I can't see any difference. So, yeah. Done. My eyes are red. But I love my lashes. This is not my first time, but it's my second time. I love it.